Hey y'all, I got my hair done today, so it's very shiny, but that's not the point of the video. Today I'm gonna be doing a what's in my backpack. Oh, sexy. Okay, here's my backpack, Adidas backpack. As you can tell, Adidas. And I'm gonna be showing you guys everything in there. So I'm gonna show you the outside, the inside, my emergency kit, all the stuff, basically everything that's in there. And if you want more of an in-depth video, I have my back to school supply shopping and my back to school supplies haul, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, guys, I just cleaned my room. I redid my room kind of a little bit. So I might be posting a video of like what's in my room shortly. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off with the outside of the backpack. So the model of the backpack is Foundation 6 backpack. And if you want the link to anything here, it's pretty generic, but I can reply to your comment or whatever and give you guys the link. So this is the backpack. Don't mind some of the nails coming off. Adidas. This is Foundation 6 backpack. I love this backpack. I have another one of this and I use it for travel. It's very good. Lots of compartments. So the first compartment is this one right here. It's pretty big, as you guys can see. Well, I don't think you can really see, but it sticks like my hand in there, and I got a big hand. So wait, I'm basically sticking my whole front of the face in there and it would fit. So it's pretty big. Then there's this little compartment. So what I would use this compartment for, I would put like a hair tie, a lotion, like something small in here. Then they also have these water bottle compartments. So 1, 2. These fit a Stanley. I have a Stanley dupe, but it's like a water spill-proof one, and it fits in there, so it's pretty big. Next, there's a couple compartments in here. So right here, it's this compartment. It's a little bit different. This compartment, and it's like a mesh. If you want to have something like more like hidden in there, then I think that would be the place to put it. There's nothing in here except for my emergency kit, but you know, I'm gonna put that in there. And then obviously the inside, this literally has a laptop compartment, so I can put my school Chromebook, and then this, all my school supplies are actually here. The back is pretty default, has this thing to hang it, the straps. If you guys are wondering, like, it's good quality. Like, I bought a backpack that was so expensive, so much more expensive than this, like maybe like almost $100. I don't even know, but it wasn't like a designer brand, nothing like that, and it broke the first day of school. The thing ripped off. This ripped off the first day of school. And I didn't even have that much supplies. This year I have a lot more supplies. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Adjustable straps, very nice. I'll show you guys at the end like what it looks like on me. So yeah. And if I forget to do that, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna just start with like the first thing that you would see when you open my book bag, which would be my emergency kit. So wait, let me just put this in here. I forgot to put this in my kit. Okay. So the first thing in my kit is a deodorant. This is like a mini one, Suave deodorant, Suave. Tropical Paradise. Is from Family Dollar, guys. I mean, it's a good deodorant. Everyone needs deodorant, so please get yourself some deodorant, because if you don't, I'm scared. Next, I have Strawberry Pound Cake Bath & Body Works. Y'all, I gotta start using this. Okay. Strawberry Pound Cake Bath & Body Works Mist. This stuff smells so good. I'm gonna spray it just like... It smells like strawberry pound cake, and a lot of people don't like the scent. So if you're gonna get your first body mist or something and you don't have a lot of money, then I would actually get one of these little ones from Walmart. These are like $2, I think. This is like $10. This is $2. I have some of these from gifts. So the next thing I have, I was gonna put a lotion, but I have a body butter. This is a raw sugar winterberry plus mint body butter. Let me smell it. I don't know how it smells. I forget. So it's like very light. It's like a light mint, but it's not strong at all. Next is this little Aquaphor. Don't mind the ink stains, but it's Aquaphor. Aquaphor is basically like a better version of Vaseline. It's more moisturizing. It helps when your lips are more chapped. So I got Aquaphor because I always have lip gloss, but if it's an emergency kit, that means I'm going to need an Aquaphor, you know? And then the last thing, I have these little Bath & Body Works hand sanitizers. But you could just get like a hand sanitizer from like Dollar General, Dollar Store, literally any place like that. So I'm put this all back. And another thing that I think I need is a hair tie. So I'm literally gonna grab a hair tie right over here. Which, yeah. So, and then the last thing is a hair tie. So yeah, I'm gonna put the hair tie in. And oh, it's kind of hard to fit, but yeah. This is a very small bag. This is like a bag you can get from like Avon, I think. My best friend's mom gave it to me. But you can literally get makeup bags from Ipsy. That's a good place. Shein. Shein has some really cute ones. And if you're more on a budget, get some from Shein. Literally, most stores would have like a bag. And if not, y'all, you can literally use a plastic bag. You don't need that much for this. Like, you don't have to be like really have a lot of money to get an emergency kit. All right, I'm gonna put this right here. So the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is my planner, because why not? So this is my planner. It's super duper cute. I got this at the beginning of the summer. It's academic planner from July 2024 to December 2025, and I got this in June 2024. This is really cute. I'll open it. It's like has some stickers inside. If you want to see me using this, go watch my night routine, my productive night routine, summer night routine. Yeah, this has stickers, lots of stuff. It has something for every day. It's really nice, and I really like it. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna start with my calculator, because why not? This is the Casio calculator. If you're going to middle school, you have to get this. You can't get like one of those other like the Dollar Tree ones. You have to get an actual like a scientific calculator, because there's lots of things you will need this for, like variable, like things like that. This helps a lot. So I'm gonna show you guys my binder, because it's a really cute binder. This is from Walmart. Again, if you want to see me actually shopping for these things, showing the prices, things like that, go watch my school supplies and back to school shopping. But this is it, the binder. This is the binder. This is cute. I'm gonna probably put like some stickers in here, or get a coloring sheet. Oh, I have some like wall hangings. I could put that in here. I don't know. I'm gonna put something here to decorate, you know what I mean? And maybe put like a picture of me and my friends. Literally something like that. So the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is my folders. I have a lot of folders, y'all. Like, ugh. I think there were 7 folders on my list. So I have 7 folders. Like, wait, all right. My folders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 folders. 1, and I had to get 3 for one class. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are my folders. I get my folders from Target, because I like Target ones better. Target folders are just the best. But these are reused folders, because folders, like, I always get solid color folders. I don't really get pattern. So you can literally reuse these for years, because like they're really good quality. Ugh. All right, I'm gonna show you guys my notebook. So this is the first notebook from Walmart. This color is so pretty. It's giving Barbie vibes. Like, it's so cute. Next, I got this white notebook. This is the 5-star brand. It's 3 subject. Yeah. This is the 5-star brand also. Oh, this is 3 subject. That was 1 subject. My bad. Same color. And this is the blue one from Walmart. Yeah. It was hard, because at the Walmart, I cannot find, like, any, like, colors that I liked. And we finally found some, which made me very happy. But this year, I have 2 pencil cases. If you watched my video, then you would know that I accidentally brought 2, so not too much. But this is my pens and pencils one. It's pink. I'll show you guys, like, actually show you guys inside of it. So first I have these Bic pens, blue pens. You need blue pens, but you also need black pens. So this is the black pen. And then I got these mechanical pencils. They're also Bic brand. These are the best. The shiny ones are the best. And then I have these color pens, because they asked for gel pens, but gel pens break. So we got color pens. And then erasable highlighters. I got erasable highlighters. Yep. Anyways, guys, so I walked away for a little bit, but the erasable highlighters are really cool. And that's really what I have in here. So I don't have anything to show you guys with them, but yeah. So I'll show you guys the other pencil case. So the other pencil case has, first off, the other pencil case has a Sharpie. I put it in there. Yeah, it has a Sharpie now. Then I got these Mondo Llama. These are my favorite markers. These are the thin ones. They have 20 colors, and they're from Target. I have my index cards. These are colored ones. No. Okay, so now I have these scissors. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to do that. Then I have some liquid glue and a glue stick. So that's the green pencil case. You notice I separated them. Very mindful. Where them here. Okay. And these color pencils. These are really cute. Okay. And then last, I have a protractor. This is last for school supplies. Then I have graph paper and normal line paper. But, like, everyone knows what that looks like. So, yeah. All right. My backpack's actually very heavy, guys. Oh, I forgot to say this is the last thing. I have Post-it notes. These are from Walmart. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed what's in my backpack. Now, make sure you subscribe because once I hit 130 subscribers, I'm going to do like a party type thing. I don't know if I'm going to do a party, but I'm going to have a little celebration and bake a cake and maybe do a Q&A if enough people ask questions. And thank you guys for helping me grow super duper fast. And go check out my next video because I'm going to post back to school get ready with me very soon. So peace out, bro. Shaka, and wish me luck for school tomorrow.